Hello everyone, welcome to Aasaan Services. Today we'll be looking into the survey module and how it's helpful for businesses. So basically the survey module in Aasaan ERP Lite will help you conduct survey, keep all the information regarding that survey, all the contact information. You can also generate reports later on to review the surveys, and this will really help your business to grow. Also, you can look at the market, what's going on, what's not, regarding your product as well as the demands of the market. So this is why the survey model will be very useful for any business. So first of all, to navigate to the survey module, we'll go to the left hand menu. There you will see the survey. Once you click on it, the survey page will load up, and then there you can see all the surveys that you took, or the salesperson's recorded. And now to add a new survey, suppose a salesperson went to someone's house, then they will just click on the add new button. So as the page loads, you can see that there are certain fields that the salesperson have to fill regarding the survey, such as the date, a client name, and then a phone number, then which country. This will be by default India for now. You can change it if you want. Then a state, a city, what type of customer is being surveyed, like he's an actor, he's an accountant, architect, etc., etc. Also, if you want extra options here, you can just create a new customer by clicking on it, and then you can also give the status of the customer, whether it's cold, hot, it's repeating, it's not required, it's warm, everything you can give it here. Then also you can give details about the customer, whether it's an existing or a new customer, and is the person aware of your products and stuff, is any billing done with respect to that customer. Also, whoever created can assign it to themselves, or assign this to someone else to continue looking further regarding the survey, or if contact the person for regarding their products and stuff. They also can enter extra details here in the description. And the last thing, they have to capture the location. As soon as they click on the capture location, the location of wherever they're recording these data from will be captured in the system. And then once they click on submit, you can see that the details page has popped up with all the details that here has been added. And if you scroll down, you'll see that there is a map which has captured your location, and it's showing the location of where the survey was conducted. And you can also edit if any details, you have made any mistake in the survey, or you can just go back to the list. Also, after coming back to the list, you will see there is other buttons, which is filter, then report, etc. You can just combine the filter and report to generate certain clients report, etc., as per your requirement, or report based on date, etc. So you can also see that there is an upload button in all the surveys that you have taken, where the person who took the survey can upload documents regarding that survey, any photos or anything, by just clicking on it, and they will be directed to this page where they can choose a file, or if they have opened it from the phone, they can just click a picture and upload it, and it will be shown here. And then you can just keep those records with respect to that survey. So you can see that there is a frequency column in the table as well, where frequency is shown. Suppose you added a new survey, but with the same name or same phone number, then the next entry, the frequency will increase to 2. So even if you generate the report, the frequency will show, and you will get to know if it's repeating and not. And also there is other buttons here, as you can see, the WhatsApp call message button, then the call, the email button. You can also directly contact whoever you surveyed from here. So that's how this survey module can be used, and it will be really helpful for any business to see what's going on in the market, and if their product is known by people, if they need any changes, etc. So that's it for the survey module. I hope you guys liked it, and do leave a comment below if you have any doubts or confusions, and thank you for watching.